Hey, here's what I do as an electrical and electronics design engineer from day to day. Okay, so one of the things that comes up a lot in hardware testing is when a client is testing a board I designed in the lab, and then they're asking me for help to review it, why things aren't working. So let's say I'm reviewing this board, is actually very close to a board that I got working for them, and I want to know everything that a certain chip communicates with. This is a 10-layer PCB that is an AI board, okay? Has DDR, has PCIe, DisplayPort, gigabit Ethernet, you name it. All right. So I could start manually following the nets on this PCB, right? But that would not be very helpful, especially for a 10-layer HDI board. What I can do instead is query the design. So hit Ctrl+K, and then I'll find the component. I could type in something like U7, and boom, it finds it. If I go to the schematic, it finds it here already. So it finds a component pretty easily. But now instead of asking Altium where U7 is, I'm going to ask what's connected to U7. So I'll go in here and type in connects to U7. I'm going to put that in there. And now it pulls up everything that's connected to U7, all of my main components. And if I go on the PCB, it highlights key components as well. Now, it also pulls up this list on the right, so I can walk through some of these components, and that's, well, all of them really, that are connected to my device. But let's say I don't want to include everything, like my decoupling capacitor, there's too many components. I want to check everything connected to U7 but without the power connection. So I put in connectsTo.noPower, right? Click on that. Now I can type U7, click on there, and now what this gives me is my connection to U7 through my connector, like J33. Let me just ground myself here. I'm going to go back to U7 so I can pull that up directly. And then say connects to dot no power to U7. There we go. Now we're ignoring power nets like the VDD, unnecessary decoupling capacitors. There will still be some connections, but a number of them will be disregarded. Still a lot of connections because it's a lot of components on the PCB, but you get the idea. We will not be including V bus. All right. Now, if the power rails are cluttering the result, this is what I use. Now, if I only care about what's directly connected to this chip, right, then I would use a different query. So connect to .direct, direct net or pin, and then look for what's connected to U2 or U7 rather. And there we go. If I only care about the same net connections, that's how I can restrict the query. Okay. It's subtle, but it makes a difference. So this is part of the new query-based search engine inside the Altium Develop's workspace. In the next video, I'll show you how to query for the physical PCB features themselves, like tracks, vias, hole sizes, net length, okay, and even parameters inside your components. This is how I review my client's designs.